Hello everyone, this is another episode of creating your Chrome OS on your bootable flash. This is how you go about it. First thing, you go to your Google Chrome. You open your Google Chrome. You see this 3 bar beside your Google Chrome. You click on it. Then you go to extension. You click on extension. Then you go to manage extension or visit Chrome website store. You click on the visit Chrome website store. Then on the Chrome website store, you search for Chrome recovery utilities. So it will bring you to this place. Then you click on the Chromebook recovery utility. Then you click on add to Chrome. It will take you to add to Chrome. Then you click on add extension. That's done. After you've seen that, then you see something like this beside your Google Chrome. You click on it. Then you come to Chrome recovery utilities. After clicking on the Chrome recovery utilities, it will bring you to this place where you're supposed to, now this is where we create the bootable flash. So you have to get a 8 gig flash, like complete 8 gig or higher, like 16 gig or 64 gig. So I'm using 64 gig flash to create the OS. So you plug in the flash, but make sure you formatted the flash before you plug it in. So after plugging in the flash, then you click on get started. Then it will take you to this place. After this place, you click on select a model from the list. You click on it. Then you from the first option, you select Chrome. Select Google Chrome OS Flex. You click on it. Then the down one, you click Google Chrome Flex. Then you click continue. Then this is where you select your flash. You select your flash. I just selected my flash now. Then you click continue. So then you click on create. So that's all. So after creating the flash, it will tell you done or finished. So that is all for now. Thank you. See you at the next episode on how to create your bootable flash for Windows.